Chapter 2, Exercise 14. Show by example that for some sets A, B, and C, the set A minus the set B minus C is different from the set A minus B minus C. Right, so as usual, whenever you have an example, I'd first encourage you to try this like every other exercise on your own, but if you're watching this video, I'm gonna assume that you already did that and that maybe you're stuck, maybe you're not trying, maybe you haven't found out what's going on. So let's go through this together. And let's consider, since we're only asked to show an example and not a full proof in generality, or anything that rigorous, then I'll just pick out three sets that I think are pretty simple, very small sets that will illustrate that this statement is true. Okay, so I'm going to let A equal the set containing the numbers 1, 2, and 3. B is going to contain 2 and 3. And C is going to contain just 3. And now we're going to look at these two sets. Oops. We're going to look at these two sets independently. And we're going to compare them at the end. So now let's look at what A minus B minus C is going to be. It's going to be the set 1, 2, 3 minus the set 2, 3 minus 3, which is equal to the set 1, 2, 3 minus the set 2, which is equal to the set 1, 3. I encourage you to verify this yourself. And on the other hand, A minus B minus C is going to be the set 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3, which is equal to the set 1 minus the set 3, which is just equal to the set 1. And clearly, the set containing 1 is not equal to the set containing 1 and 3. So it is not always true that A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. This property where you can sort of swap parentheses around. Where is the laser pointer? Here. Okay. Where you can swap parentheses around, either from these two to these two, is called associativity. You probably already knew that, but that's what this exercise is trying to show us, that the difference operation is not associative, even though most operations we usually work with are. So yeah, pretty cool. Neat fact that we should probably keep in mind from now on is that the difference of sets is not associative, and maybe that shows up in a future exercise. So we'll see. Anywho, hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.